Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everyone, how are you? This is me Learn with Toufic Ahmed. After a long time of after 2 weeks, I am uploading a new video. I hope you have seen the thumbnail and you know what the video is I am showing you, and the tutorial is today. So in this video, I am gonna show you that how to check the payment, how to check the checkout process of your Shopify store. And yeah, if you are a merchant, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a Shopify developer, designer, or web designer, any or a freelancer, anyone, so you how we can check without the real buying or real add to cart, I mean with your money or dollars or dirhams, whatever you have. So in this video we will see that how can we check the process of add to cart and checkout process without giving the real money to your store, and I mean without spending any type of money or anything. Okay, so we will test this in a free way, and so it will be easier to you and your store for your business, that you can test your checkout process, your payments and everything in a free way. You don't have to pay anything, or you don't have to pay for your product for testing or by your own. So let's start the video. So first of all, this is my demo store. Its name is Groom Shavier. As you can see that its name is Groom Shavier. It's just a partner store. So this is my demo store, and this here is a product. If you can see that there is a product here. So if I click on this and go to add to cart or buy it now, so let's go to checkout. Okay, if I increase or decrease anything, okay, this is done theme. Okay, so if we go to this, go to the checkout page, so we can see that the product price, shipping is free because it is handled in the back end, and estimate tax is $7, and shipping, when, because this is cash on same as shipping address, but if we use a different billing address, so you have to put extra again the billing addresses, because first when I tried, so I put it my details before. So let's see this. Shipping method is standard free, and there is another option is cash on delivery, COD. So I have created two options, cash on delivery and billing address. So let's check this. Let's check this store with another browser, from another browser, so it will be easier for us or you to understand and everything. Okay, so if I go to another browser, if I go to in another browser, so this is a development store, I think 456. Yeah, okay, so let's so if we see this, go to add to cart, view checkout. So there is if you don't have any your card, and if you want to just check that it is working or not, so so how we can check it? So at first, because yeah, if we want to check out with this product, so we have to pay something, but let's see how we can do this for free. So just go to your Shopify store settings and go to payments. There is a payment, as you can see, development stores can only process test payments, because this is a development store. So activate the test payments provider or set your payment provider to test mode. Learn more about testing in development stores. So as you can see that there is many options, supported payment methods, there's third party providers, automatically at checkout is another thing, and here I have added the COD, so I can also remove this. Okay, first of all, let's choose a provider. There is a bogus testing, as you can see. This is the gateway we will use for testing. Okay, I hope you understand. Check carefully that that its name is bogus gateway. So let's Click on that. Properly check that this is a bogus gateway. This is for testing on the development stores. So there is some documentations. So reactivate. When you will first time you will see this and it is inactivate, and when you will do this for the first time it will show that activate, because I have already activated it again before, so it is showing me reactivate. Look, if I deactivate this, it will show the button with reactivate. Look, if I go to choose a provider, bogus payment, reactivate, and for you if you are new to this, it will show only activate. So I am reactivating this. Okay, it is activated now. So if I go to now from another browser, and let's delete this browser. So we can see that also it is recording. Okay, perfect. So let's it is just slow little bit. So we are on the another store. So with an I mean we are on the another browser. This is my another mail. Okay, another browser. So you can see after the setting of the bogus payment gateway, we will check the now the payments options and check the card. Okay, that it's working properly or not. So if I go to buy it now or add to cart, whatever you want, just go to buy now. So here will be needed like mail options. Okay, you can check it or not. If you need news and offers of this site, just for because we are checking, and for your customer, if your customer wants to check it or not, it's on him or her, for him. Okay, so first name is optional, last name is option, but we have to give the last name. So I have just made it for the backend. From backend I am just giving it as a okay address. Okay, perfect. Give your details here. So credit card, look here what we have to do, that card number 1, security code. Look, here is the 3-digit security code usually found on the back of your card. American Express cards have 4 digit located on the front. For the American Express cards, there are 4 digits of code located on the front, and for the other like Mastercards or anything, it has 3 digit of security code in the back of the card. So if you have American Express, you have to type 4 codes and from your card, and if you have other payment cards, so you will have 3 security code. So give it expiration date like for the from future, like 05. Today's date is 12 January 2025. So I'm just giving it 2025. This is month and year. This is month and year. Look it carefully. Security code I'm just giving it like 111. So I'm just clicking this or anything. So this is shipping bill. If I go to pay now, so look, it will give me a thank you message. If it's giving me a thank you message, so it's successfully done, that it is perfectly working. Look, I have got a message on my phone also, that in my mail, that I have got the notification from the store or website that payment settings etc. groom shaver order placed hashtag 1001 with my name, with the order summary, everything. Okay, so I hope this helped you. And if you want to start your Shopify business with just $1 for 3 months, check the video description for the link. So you will get only for one, I will get the offer for, and also check this order. So if you want to start your Shopify store, Shopify business just for $1 for 3 months, check the video description, use the link and register with the link or on your Shopify store. So you will get $1 for 3 months. Each month you will only need one, you have to pay only $1, not $25 per month. So hope it will if this video finds you you found helpful. So till then, tata, see you, bye bye. So I hope this video finds you well. Thank you very much for watching this full video. So let's see in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.